Hi guys, warm welcome you all. I'm here with a new video and this is the second part of the multiple choice questions related to TGT PGT exams of DSSB, KVS, NVS and all state level English literature exam. Yes friends, इस वीडियो में जो important questions मैंने include किए हैं आपके पास time होगा, you can choose the right answer, you can tell the right answer and after that I will give you the correct answer of that questions. Yes, आप थोड़े टाइम में आपके पास अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10 to 15 seconds होंगे so that you can answer each questions correctly and you can analyze yourself that how much questions correctly you have attempted. Yes, and without any delay let's move on to the question number 1 of this video, the second part of multiple choice questions of English literature. And here we have the first question of this video. Who among the following Victorian poet is the most sensitive to the conflicts between the old and the new? Yes friends, इसमें क्वेश्चन में बताना है आपको कौन सा ऐसा विक्टोरियन पोएट था जो बहुत ही सेंसिटिव था एंड द कन्फ्लिक्शन बिटवीन द ओल्ड एंड द न्यू, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इस मैटर में बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव. यू हैव टू टेल द नेम ऑफ दैट पोएट इन हुज पोएट्री दिस थिंग you will you have got or you have gone through. And option A, B, C, D, here we have, and you have to choose the right answer. And now I'm going to tell you the right answer of this question. Option A, yes friends, Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson is the Victorian poet who was most sensitive to the conflict between the old and the new. Next question we have, Under the Greenwood Tree. This is the novel. Who had written this novel? किसने ये novel लिखी है Under the Greenwood Tree? And this is very famous novel taken from William Shakespeare and work, literary work. This word novel title Under the Greenwood Tree is taken from that. And here we have the option A, B, C, and D. You have to tell the right answer of this question, and the most of you have given the right answer. And right answer of this question is option C. Yes, friends, Thomas Hardy. This is the work of Thomas Hardy, and Thomas Hardy was the Victorian novelist. And this Thomas Hardy, Under the Greenwood Tree, is novel written by him. Moving on to the question number third of this video, the office of circumlocution occurs in the novel. A, B, C and D. These are the options we have. And mostly लोग confused होते हैं इस question में कि कौन सा correct answer होगा. But I am going to tell you this the correct answer. जो first time the office of circumlocution novelist ने use किया हुआ है, Charles Dickens ने use किया हुआ है. And of which work, of which novel he has used this word, this phrase, the office of circumlocution? That is option A. Yes, friends, option A is the correct answer. Little Dorrit. Little Dorrit is a novel written by Charles Dickens, and Charles Dickens has used this in the work of Little Dorrit. And what is the office of circumlocution? I'm going to tell you that. The office of circumlocution is related to the governmental department. Yes, this is a type of governmental department, and it is used by Charles Dickens in his novel Little Dorrit to satirizes the rules and the governmental departmental or governmental rule and regulations. Next we have question number fourth of this video. The novel Mary Burton is written by whom? Yes, this is the question of the fourth number question. And the novel Mary Burton is written by A, B, C, D. We have option who had written this novel, and this is very famous novel. This is the first novel of that novelist, and yes, it was written by Mrs. Elizabeth Gaskell. A is the correct answer. Mrs. Elizabeth Gaskell is the correct answer, and this is the first novel written by Mrs. Elizabeth, English author Elizabeth Gaskell, and it was published in 1848. Yes, 1848 में ये नॉवेल जो है वो पब्लिश हुई है 1848 में by Elizabeth Gaskell. Moving on to the next question. The question number fifth of the video we have the line poetry is a criticism of life occurs in. Yes, friends, this is famous, very famous line from Matthew Arnold. Yes, friends, this is the very famous line of Matthew Arnold, who was the Victorian poet and critic, and he said these lines in which of his work? Yes, we have option A, B, and C, and D. You have to tell the right answer, and the right answer of this question is option C. Yes, friends, option C is the right answer. The study of poetry is the right answer. In this work, he has said this line: poetry is a criticism of life. Question number 6 of the video: Martha Quest. This was the work, this was the novel, and written by, published in 15 sorry 1952. This novel was published in 1952, and Martha Quest is very famous novel and was written by whom? You have to tell the right answer. Who was the novelist of this work, Martha Quest? A, B, C, and D. We have option, and the right answer of this question number 6 we have here option B. Yes, friends, option B is the right answer. Doris Lessing. Doris Lessing, who was the Nobel Prize winner in literature, and this is the second novel of Doris Lessing, and this novel is the series of the 5 volume which was semi autobiographical work था, The Children of Violence. ये series थी, 5 novels का volume था एक, and this is the second novel of that Doris Lessing. Next question number 7 we have the term stream of consciousness. Yes, friends, was taken from the book. Stream of consciousness किस बुक से ये ली गई है, किस बुक में इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन मिलता है? We have to tell that answer. And here we have the option A, B, C, and D. And the correct answer, you must have given the right answer because stream of consciousness is very famous work, and a stream of consciousness very famous phrase. You have to tell the right answer, and the right answer option B, the principles of psychology. This is the work of William James, who was the psychologist, and he had narrated this method, this phrase, stream of consciousness, in his work the principle of psychology. Yes, friends, this was written by विलियम जेम्स. अगर स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्सियसनेस की बात होती है देन विलियम जेम्स वुड बी द राइट आंसर. एंड इन विच वर्क यू विल, फ्रॉम विच बुक दिस phrase or this this thing is extracted, that is from the principle of psychology. Next question number 8 we have G.S. Fraser's The Golden Bow focuses on. You have to tell the right answer of this question, question number 8 of the video. And the right answer we have here option in these options, that is option D. Option D is the right answer. Archetypes is the main important thing in which Golden Bowl, the work of G.S. Fraser's Golden Bowl focuses on that. And archetype is a kind of a statement. It can be related to the behavior, historical psychology, and literary analysis. Moving on to the question number 9. Number 9 of this video we have here Arthur Miller's Death of Salesman relies for its tragical seriousness on the fate of. We have option A, B, C, and D. And the correct answer we have here of this question of Arthur Miller's Death of Salesman's option A. Yes, friends, option A is the correct answer. Willie Loman was the tragic relies for its tragic seriousness on the fate of Willie Loman. Next question number 10. The character Leopold Bloom makes a appearance in the novel. From which novel the character Leopold Bloom has been taken, or from which novel this character is involved? A, B, and C, D. We have option, and the correct answer is Ulysses. Yes, friends, this is a novel by एंड दिस इज नॉवल बाय जेम्स जॉयसी। यस फ्रेंड्स, यूलिसीज जो नॉवल है वो जेम्स जॉयसी की नॉवल है एंड इट इज अ पोएम ऑफ अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन। इसी सेम टाइटल से जो पोएम है दैट इज ऑफ अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 वी हैव, who of the following authors represents the Sri Lankan diaspora? Yes, friend, diaspora is related to the Sri Lankan immigrants who are living in other countries, and we have to tell the right answer of this questions. Question. This is option B. Yes, friends, option B is the correct answer. Michael on Ondaatje is the right answer of this question number 11. Question number 12 of the video, we have Australian Aborigines receive a sympathetic treatment in. Yes, friends, who had sympathetically treated the Australian Aborigines. This is a kind of race, Australian race, जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन आदिवासी थे उनका उनको इस नाम से जाना जाता है वहाँ पे, ऑस्ट्रेलियन एबोरिजिन्स। एंड द मैन, द person who treated sympathetically to them, that was ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। यस फ्रेंड्स, ऑप्शन सी जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है इस क्वेश्चन का, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 ऑफ द वीडियो जो है। एंड बिकॉज ही वॉज द ऑस्ट्रेलियन पोएट एंड ही हैड treated sympathetically in his work the Australian Aborigines. And question number 13 of the video, Margaret Atwood's survival. This is the work of Margaret Atwood. Makes a case for about whom this work is related to the survival of the Margaret Atwood. This is related to the option A, B, C, D we have, and the correct answer is option C. Yes, friends, this is the correct answer. The future of Canadian literature is the correct answer of this question. Question number 14 we have here. V.S. Naipaul's latest book is, which one is the latest book of V.S. Naipaul's? Yes, we have the option A, B, and C, D, and the correct answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Half Half Alive is the correct answer of V.S. Naipaul's latest book. Question number 15 we have, which of the following books by Salman Rushdie refers to the 15th century Spain as a starting point? A, B, C and D we have option. इसमें बताना है सलमान रुश्दी की कौन सी बुक है, कौन सी नॉवेल है which is related to the 15th century Spain as a starting point. And we have the option D, V, A, B, C, D we have, and the correct answer is option D, Grimus. This is a novel, and Grimus Roman. This is the full title of the novel by Salman Rushdie, and it is a fantasy and science fiction work of Salman Rushdie, which is related to the 15th century Spain as a starting point. Next question number 16 we have here. Whose Alfred Alfred of Virginia Woolf is written by? This is the full title of the work, and who is the author, who is the writer of this work, who is Alfred of Virginia Woolf? We have the option A, B, and C, D, and the right answer we have here option C is the right answer, Edward Albee. Yes, Edward Albee is the right answer of this question number 16 of the video. Next, question number 17 is, and the question is, Mythologies, which was published in 1957, was written by, who was the writer of this work, Mythologies? We have the option A, B, C, and D. And the correct answer of this question is option A. Roland Barthes is the correct answer, and this is a collection of essays by Roland Barthes, which was known as Mythologies, published in 1957. Question number 18 we have, the word catharsis signifies. Yes, this is very easy questions, and you must have given the right answer of this question by seeing the answer. Yes, option A, B, and C, D we have option, and the correct answer is option C, purgation, or purification of emotions from pity and fear. This is the meaning of catharsis, and this is related to the tragedy, especially. And in Shakespearean tragedy, or in the old times of tragedy like Aristotelian tragedy, you have seen this word catharsis. Next, we have 19. The rejection of universalism is a mark of A, B, C, D. We have option, and the correct answer we have here option D. Option D is the correct answer. Post colonial criticism is the mark of universalism. Rejection of universalism. Question number 20 we have Eliot's theory of objective correlative appeared in his essay entitled. Yes, we have the very important question of English literature here. We have A, B, and C, D. We have option, and the correct answer that is in the work of T.S. Eliot, in which he has given this theory objective correlative, that was in his essays, that is titled the Hamlet. This is the work of T.S. Eliot, and option D is the correct answer. So, friends, this was all we had in today's video, and this is the second part. Earlier, I have uploaded the first part. Check out the other videos uploaded on this channel, English Zone, and please comment me if you have any kind of suggestion, any kind of topic you want a video on that. Till then, watch out, wait for the next video, and till then, thank you very much for watching this. Keep connecting with English Zone.